Hey everyone, we're back. Finish opening this lovely box. And I'm really excited. What could it be? Really pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is awesome.
It's a journal.
I like it. Very like fall colors. I really love it. Thank you. And this one with more of this cute felt ribbon. I like that. Could totally add that to cards. These are on lockdown. What are you talking about? I love the shimmery paper. Oh, nice. I like that. I was actually going to get this the last time we went to Michael's. I saw it there. It's a little teacup. And then they just cut me some, probably like 6x6 size of chipboard. I really needed chipboard. Thank you. No. This is my first Webster's Pages. This is awesome.